Hello students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers, flowchart, hard words, meanings of chapter number 6 Tom Saw 2 from your book Oxford New Broadway. So first of all, let me tell you about the flowchart. I prepare this flowchart so that you can remember the whole story easily. By seeing the flowchart, you can remember the story that there was a boy whose name was Tom Sawyer. He doesn't want to go to school, and so he made a lot of excuses sore toe, that is, his toe was paining, like toothache, his tooth was loose. So uh, Tom's aunt, whose name was Polly, she removed the loose tooth with the help of thread and hot coal. So she has taken the silk thread on one end of the Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost, and she uses the hot coal to scare him so that the tooth can be removed easily. Now let's discuss few hard words. You have to remember all these hard words unhappy, suddenly means jaldi, discovered, lose, remembered, complained, sore, toe, groan, shouted. Groan means when you make noise when you are in pain. जब आप बहुत दर्द में रहते हो तो आप जो आवाज़ें निकालते हो दैट इज़ ग्रोन. Shouted, noise, kitchen, thread. Thread means धागा. Peace, quickly. Quickly means jaldi. Now let's discuss meanings. Like sore means painful. Groaning means making noises as if in pain. It will be over soon. So according to the story, it means that I will soon be dead. मैं बहुत जल्दी मरने वाला हूँ. Now the fourth one, fill in the blanks. Tom Sawyer was happy or unhappy? He was unhappy because he did not want to go to school. So that is why he was unhappy. Second one, sore toe was a good excuse. What was the good excuse which Tom has made? So that was sore toe. Third is, Aunt Polly needed a dash and dash to remove the loose tooth. So she needed a silk thread and hot coal. Fourth one, Tom did not want to go to where he did not want to go? To school. Now let's discuss the question answers of this chapter. Like the first one, why was Tom unhappy? So Tom was unhappy because he did not want to go to school. He did not want to go to school. Now the second one, why did Tom start groaning? So Tom started groaning because he wanted someone to hear him. तो टॉम जो है वो नॉइजेस क्यों निकाल रहा था एज इफ ही वॉज इन पेन? क्योंकि ताकि लोग उसको सुन सकें और उसे स्कूल न जाना पड़े. सो ही वॉज मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस. Now the third one. Why did Tom say it will all be over soon? Take the right answer. So he was sure he was going to die very soon, or he was sure the pain would go away soon, or he wanted everybody to feel sorry for him. So the correct answer is he was sure that he was going to die very soon. So according to the story, the A is the answer. Now the fourth one, Auntie Polly was not worried when Sid told her about Tom. So is it true or false? Aunt Polly जो है वो worried थी या नहीं, परेशान थी कि नहीं जब Sid उनको बताता है about Tom? So she was not worried because she didn't believe that. So the answer will be true. Now the fifth one. What was the matter with Tom's tooth? So Tom's tooth was loose. Why did Aunt Polly want a silk thread? So Aunt Polly wanted a silk thread to tie on one end to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost so that she can remove the tooth very easily. Now, the seventh one. Why did the Aunt Polly want a piece of coal from the fire? Because she wanted to remove the loose tooth from Tom's mouth by scaring him with it, so that टॉम जो है वो डर जाए हॉट कोल से और वो अपने सर को थोड़ा पीछे कर ले और ताकि उसका टूथ जो है वो ईजिली निकल जाए. Okay, I hope you all have understood and I've explained the story. If you have not seen the video, I have given the link on the description box. Please take a look on it and thank you very much.